How to reset Android device to factory settings. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can reset Android device to factory settings. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. But before we start, you have to understand that resetting your Android device to a factory settings will erase all of your data. So it is important to back up all your important files before proceeding. So once you have backed up all your important files, now in order to factory reset your device, open up settings in your device. Once you're under settings, you have to scroll down and tap on system. Under system, tap on reset options. Here you have an option as factory reset erase all data, tap on it. And here it says this will erase all of your phone's internal storage, which includes your Google account, system and application data and settings, downloaded application, music, photos, and other user data. So make sure to go through all of this, and once you have made your mind, tap on erase all data. Then you may have to enter your PIN or password if prompted. Then again tap on delete or confirm to start the reset. Now after the reset, your phone will start or restart like a brand new device. Then you will need to set up your Google account again. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.